At Yo-Yo Desk, your office health is our passion. That's why we design high-quality standing desks at prices affordable to everyone. Transition between sitting and standing in seconds with Yo-Yo Desk Slim, our lighter frame standing desk converter. Easy to handle, Yo-Yo Desk Slim glides effortlessly up and down to 30 adjustable heights. Designed by ergonomic experts, Yo-Yo Desk Slim is the UK's most affordable standing desk. Incorporating a single gas spring, activated by holding our quick-release lock. Yo-Yo Desk Slim comes in 3 sizes: 80 cm wide, 95 cm wide, and the cubicle corner desk, supporting either single or double monitors, with 15 kg load capacity. With Yo-Yo Desk Slim, it's possible to convert any desk to a standing desk. Test out any of our products today with our 30-day free trial. With our 3-year warranty, we stand by you and your Yo-Yo Desk. Yo-Yo Desk, Britain's #1 brand for standing desks.